My country people, una go talkie, una go dey talkie. Yes, so this is your boy Tiani Commander, and I'm here to update you guys again. Please watch this video to the end because I want to expose something to you. Something some of you don't know that is going on right now in crypto industry. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, and please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, click that red button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find this video interesting, please give me thumbs up. Even if you don't find it interesting, I have other video you will so much love it. My updates are always interesting because a lot of people chat me on WhatsApp to give me thanks, give me a thumbs up for the good work I'm doing or something, appreciating that I'm doing a good job or something. So even if you don't like this video, you can check my other video and you will see that okay, this guy is doing a great job or is giving us a good update. So that, I think that should be okay for you to give me a thumbs up for this video and give me a subscribe. And please, when you subscribe, click that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Okay, thank you. Now see, I want to expose something to you. There are two ways you will make money in crypto industry now. There are three ways. But in the other way, there's one way. The only way you can make money there is if you have a huge capital. You understand? If you have a huge capital to start, like big money to start, like, you understand? If you have a huge capital to start to put inside the crypto industry, that's when you will be making your money. Now there are two ways again. The other two ways, now I will explain. The other two ways, these three ways are what? Investing is buying coin or token in the future for you to sell it in the future, because all coins now are coins and tokens drop down. You understand? All token now drop down. Token that the coins that they were selling at price of $60, $70 are now $30, $29 to $33. You understand? So when you want to buy, these three ways I'm talking about is, the first one is investing, buying token now, buying coin now because the price is low now, buying coin and keeping it in future. That is another way. Now in that way, you will not be any now. You are taking that money, the money you are putting there is in the future you want to use it. It's just like you saving money in your bank account, that this money I'm not going to use it, this money I'm going to keep it till the next 1 year or in the next 2 years before I will touch this money, because I want to use this money to do something great. Now the same thing, if you have that money, it's better for you to take it and put it in cryptocurrency right now. The other two way is spot trading. Now in spot trading, you will make money in spot trading. You understand? You make money in spot trading, but the only way you could make money in spot trading is if you have a huge capital. This is what some people don't know. In sports trading, you must have a huge capital. You understand? Because of what? Because the market drop now. The market is rising by 2%. The market is rising from 1%, 2 to 3, 4, 5%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. That is the percentage that the market is giving us right now. Now, example at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dropping, is rising. The highest Bitcoin that is rising, Bitcoin is rising from $30, 31 to 32 to 33 to 34. Highest Bitcoin is giving us 35. You understand? Highest Bitcoin is giving us 35. Now Bitcoin is giving us 35,000, which is $35,000. You understand? Now, all of you know that when you want to trade Bitcoin in sports, like if you want to trade Bitcoin in sport, you need a huge amount of money. Except if you are trading Bitcoin in futures, that is when you didn't need huge amounts of money. I'll explain everything. Now wait for the video, and this thing I'm explaining to you. If you want this strategy, if you want to learn this strategy, you can hit me on WhatsApp, then I'll tell you the price that I'm teaching this trading. Now listen. Now if Bitcoin drop from, like now, if Bitcoin drop from 33,000, Bitcoin is at price of 33,000 right now. Now if Bitcoin drop at price of 33,000 to 31,000, you see that other coins will drop completely, will drop crazily, other coin will drop crazily. Now if Bitcoin rise from 31,000 to 33,000 again, those coins will rise, but they are not going to rise as much as the way Bitcoin add $3 on top. Are you understanding me? The way Bitcoin add $3 on top. So the only way you could trade Bitcoin now, okay, let's look at the which coin I would show you example. Let's see. Okay, let's say the Ripple. Let's go to Ripple. Let's check Ripple. Let's check Ripple on the. And one thing again, before you hit a trade, you read the charts. This chart help you a lot. This chart help you a lot. Now I want us to check something. Now look at what on the Bitcoin is giving, the Ripple is giving us right now. Look at the highest dropping of Bitcoin or Ripple today. 0.645 cents. You are seeing, look at it here, that's the dropping. Now if you have huge amount of money, when Ripple drop from here, you will buy it. But if you have little capital, you are not going to make profit, because the profit that is giving you, okay, let us say here, from here, I'm trying to bring that up, because using phone is not easy, and I did not use my laptop. Now the capital between here, oh my gosh, I'm trying to bring it out. I will explain it. The capital between from this, where this and Ripple drop, XRP drop from here to here, or from here, look at this last red. The capital it draw from here to here is not as much as okay, see, look at the profit that is giving you. Look at this place. This is the dropping 0.6442. now it's now at 0.6556. you see, now the profit it's giving you from here to here is not much. From here to here is not much. Now the only way little capital cannot get something better, something reasonable, like get a reasonable profit from here. The only person that can get a reasonable profit from here is someone that have a huge capital. You understand? Someone that have a huge capital. Let us say you have a huge capital, you take like $200 or $300 to buy it at that time when it's dropped from here. Now when it dropped from here to here, if I calculate in that, okay, if maybe from here to here, what this will be giving you will be maybe like 0.13 cents or 0.10 cents. You understand? Or let's say 0.10 cents. Now that is the profit we are getting in sports now. 0.10 cents. 0.10 cents when you are trading in spot. Most coin now, when you are trading, the profit they are giving you is 0.10 cents or 0.9 cents. Now if you have a little capital, the profit you are getting is not going to be a reasonable profit, unless someone that have a huge capital, that have a huge capital amount of money, like huge huge capital, like the money it take and put inside the business, put inside the trading, put inside the sport. That is the only person that will get reasonable profit. Now you understand. So the only person that can survive in trading sport now is someone who have a huge capital. Is that clear? Now I'm going to another step. Now another step where if you have little capital, you can make money. You can be making money, like, see, let me tell you something. You can be making money, profit, more than someone who is trading in sports. You can be making money more, like your profit per one trade, you'll be making profit more than the person that is trading in sport is futures. Now I will explain. Go to futures. Now in futures, you see what is here. In futures, the strategies I'm using in futures, like, I'm not going to explain this strategy. The strategy I'm using in future, I make money here every day. I make money in my futures every day. See, let me tell you something. In futures, you can trade here and be making 0.50 cents, 0.30 cents, 0.50 cents. See, this thing I'm telling you, you are not going to lose your trade. This is what I've been doing throughout this week, and it's working for me. So I say, okay, let me expose you, let me explain it to you guys, and you will not be losing your money. You see, look at my trade here. Okay, like this trade with trigger already. Remain small, this trade with trigger. Now let me 0.11 cents. Let me calculate it. 0.11 cents. How much am I making? I don't do greedy because I set a lot of trade. 0.11 trade. I'll be making 45 naira. That is 45 naira. You understand? Now me, I don't do greedy. If I want, I will set the trade. Now let me check my chart. I'll check what is happening in the chart, and it's long. I set the trade to be long, and let me go back and check what is happening, and check where I set it. I set long, so I'm expecting 0.90. so let me see what is happening. 90. Let me see what is happening. Okay, 90. Okay, my trade is going to trigger. Now I will leave it, but this trade will trigger the way I want. This trade will trigger. Now let me show you something. You see this my trade here. I set 5 trades. I'm not going to expose this to you. If you want to learn this strategy, you hit my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is in the comment section below. If you want to set this trade, look at my risk management. See, in future trading, when you are trading future, risk management is the main thing. Risk management is what you should, know is what you should know how to, like, you understand, like, risk management is what you should value it. Like, okay, this risk management, I'm not gonna do greedy to myself, but let me have the mind to do the risk management. Look at my risk management, look at my margin, look at my liquidation price. The main thing you need to look at here, and you know that I'm not gonna, for those of you that trade future trading, when you see this strategy, you will know what I'm talking about. When you see this thing that I'm explaining, you will know that, oh, this guy have a good strategy. Because as a good future trader, when you look at this, you'll be looking at liquidation price, I'll be looking at market price, and you look at entering price. So you will know that this strategy, once you look this, a good crypto trader, when he look this, he will know. A good crypto trader, when he see this, he will know. But a good future trader, not crypto trader, a good future trader, when he see this, he will know. When he look at my liquidation price and look at my market price and look at my entry price, he will know that this trade is not going against me. The way the market is now, like the way market is now, the trade is not going against me. This trade you are seeing here will never go against me. The trade will trigger this at the way I want, but the only thing is I'm not going to get that huge capital. Like maybe I'll get like $3 at once or $5 at once. No, what I'm looking at here is cent. What I'm looking at here is what is cent. I'm not looking at even $1. I'm looking at cent. I'm only looking at what? I'm only looking at 0.15, starting from 0.15, 16 cents, 0.30 cents. I'm okay. Then I opt out. Then what I do is I'm not gonna expose. Now you see, look at some trade like this one. It's going the way I want. This one is going the way I want. This one is going the way I want. Now this one is going against me, and this trade is also going against me. But let me tell you something. You see this trade that's like is going against me. This market can never go against me. I will end up going against this market. I will end up getting what I want from this market. See this market, all these ones that are going against me, they can never go against me to the end. No, I will not lose even 0.008 cent from this market that you see that is going against me. Never. Because when you look at it, look at my risk management, then look at my risk management, then look at my liquidation price, look at the market price, and look at the entry price. You will know that this market is not going against this guy. Based on what? Based on the way market is now. But assume is the normal market, the way market was, this trade will go against me. You look at what I'm telling you now. This trade I'm hitting here 0.17 cents. You see 0.17 cents, I'm okay. 0.17 cents, I'm okay. 0.80, what am I looking like? What am I like? Calculate it. You see, calculate it. So I'm okay. Okay, I'm okay here. If I want to do, I'll even close the trade. I'll close the trade. I'll close the trade. 0.17 cents, I'm okay with it. Now what I do here is I will not expose. If you want to learn this future trading, and you want these strategies, this particular strategy, you will hit my WhatsApp. Then I teach you this particular strategy, teaching you features and teaching you this strategy. If you're a feature trader and you want this strategy, I will teach you. I will explain everything to you. Then you will see that this strategy is very, very good for you to use and is not going against you. You see, this market can never go against me. This one can never go against me. Never, as in never. Because my risk management is okay, my liquidation price is okay. Look at my market price and you see that everything is okay with this trade. You understand? So if I'm a feature trader and you need a good strategy, you can hit my WhatsApp and I will give you a good strategy. If you want to trade on features, teaching you feature trading and teaching you the strategies, you need to pay $30,000. You understand? You need to pay $30,000 for me to teach you future trading and teach you the strategy for you to be making this money, using the strategy to make this money. If I'm a feature trader already, when you come, I will only explain to you. Then you will go, because not that you will come, you claim that you know that you are a feature trader, so that I will teach you with the price that I'm giving for feature trader. Because as a feature trader, you already know everything. The only thing, you already know how to use the tools. The only thing I will teach you is The only thing I'll teach you is the strategy. So teaching you the strategy is with $20. If you are a future trader already and you are not good in trading future, you don't have a good strategy, you can hit my WhatsApp number, then I will give you this strategy. Giving you the strategy, I will explain to you and you will understand it, okay, with $20. So if you are interested, you hit my WhatsApp. Please click the thumbs up. Please, if you like this video, give me thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.